In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change item prices in QuickBooks Online. If you need to update the price of a product or service in QuickBooks Online, this is a quick and simple process once you know where to look. Changing the item price here helps make sure your future sales forms, like invoices and sales receipts, use the most current pricing. Just keep in mind that updating an item's price will typically affect new transactions going forward, not older ones that were already created. To get started, look over to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online and click Sales. This section is where you manage customer-facing activity, including the items you sell. Once you open it, you'll be able to access the list of your products and services. Next, select Products and Services. This will bring up the full list of items you've created in your company file. Depending on how many items you have, you may need a moment to scan the list and locate the one you want to update. If your list is long, it helps to look carefully at the item names so you make sure you're editing the correct one. When you find the item whose price you want to change, click Edit beside that item. This opens the Item Details window, where you can review the current setup. Before making the update, it's a good idea to double-check that you're on the right product or service, especially if you have similar item names or pricing variations. Now, update the sales price or rate field. This is the amount QuickBooks will use for that item on future sales transactions. Enter the new price carefully, and if needed, take a second to confirm that the amount matches your current pricing structure. Accuracy here is important, since this value can flow into invoices and other customer sales forms. Once the new price has been entered, click Save and Close. That will apply the change and return you to your item list. At this point, your updated pricing is saved in QuickBooks Online, and that's all there is to it. As a helpful final tip, after saving the change, you may want to open the item again or create a test transaction to confirm the new price appears the way you expect. That can help prevent mistakes before sending anything to a customer. Thanks for watching.